Yesterday, we saw Bitcoin pump all the way up to almost $72,000. Guys, today I am going to talk about what the next major Bitcoin move is going to be. I'm going to talk about what I see happening in the crypto space moving forward. Also, we have some massive breakthroughs. This is going to change the trajectory of where Bitcoin is going to go. Maybe we even put our targets too low. Guys, today I'm going to talk about that and much more. So stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And what we talked about in yesterday's video is that I was anticipating a push towards the resistance level at $71,400. Now, after my video, what actually happened is that we did have a pump. Now, first, I want to show you this. So first, we did have a pump from 70,450. This a few days ago. We went up and then we went down. So this was the first attempt of the bears to try to defend this area. Okay, and then yesterday we did have a push and we went up as high as $71,800, and now the bears are trying to defend this level. This is a very important level because if we look at the daily time frame, this is the previous swing high. So on the first attempt here, when we went up, we did have a big rejection. We went from 72 down to 66. So we went down significantly. We found support, double bottom, breaking it, W pattern, going towards the upside. So the bears, they're trying to defend this area because if we manage to take out the previous swing high, that is a bullish sign. Also, we do have the key orange line at $72,000 as well in the same vicinity. So there are two very important resistance levels the bears are trying to defend here. But are they going to be successful? I think that they are not going to be too successful. I think that it is only a matter of time until we break through this point and we start to go up. Now, the next major level of resistance is $82,000 should we break that point. So it just goes to show how important this level is. So I do not mind us going sideways a little bit longer, but yeah, this level, the bears are going to try to defend this area, but I do think that eventually the bulls are going to be victorious and we are going to go up to higher prices. And by the way, guys, for everyone that sold on the 1st of May, you have now, that was the absolute bottom. The absolute bottom was the 1st of May here. This is why I was very clear about the dangers of selling on the 1st of May. You know, the sell in May and go away expression. Well, it seems like a lot of people here sold the bottom and they now missed out on almost a 30% increase in Bitcoin from that point. So yeah, sell in May and go away. I do not think that it applied this specific time to Bitcoin. If you want to know why, then you can go back to my previous videos and see. But yeah, it's nice to see that we're making some progress here and we are going up to higher prices for Bitcoin. So that is all good. Now, in terms of the breakthroughs we're seeing, so this triangle, this continues to go up. And I will say that right now we have hit the target, the technical target from the breakout of this triangle, okay? So we have hit that, and you can see that right here, we did hit it, and then we continue towards the upside after a little bit of drama here, a little bit of a pullback. But for now, I think that this is all good playing out, but for everyone that were trading this breakout, you have now made at least the technical target from this point. So congratulations to all of you who did that as well. Now, in terms of the Bitcoin price compared to the monetary supply of the US dollar, you can see that this is also playing out really nicely. So can we have a similar kind of price pump as we've been seeing here previously? You can see right here, consolidating and then boom, straight up after we break out of this triangle, after having this fake breakdown, I should say. So right now, things are looking really good for Bitcoin and things are looking really good in general. Now you can see that traditional markets made a new all-time, did we? I think this one was at, let's zoom in here and the traditional markets. Yeah, we have made a new all-time high. In fact, this current candle that we are in right now is the all-time high for the S&P 500. Also, the Nasdaq made a new all-time high yesterday. So everything is looking pretty good here. You see the liquidity coming back, you see the optimism coming back, you see these assets trend towards the upside. Now, there is something very important to talk about at the end of this video, because you're seeing a big trend shift, stuff that people do not really want you to know. So the players at the top, they do not want you to see the signs of what is actually going to come here. But my trading strategies, of course, with the volatility we're seeing right now, they are doing really, really well as well. So right now we have a 16% pump here, almost $7,500 on my old bot. And my new bot, which is, by the way, trading a similar range, but yeah, this one is up also almost $4,000. So that is all fantastic. And if you want to use these trading strategies yourself, just go down to the description of this video and you will find it right here. Claim up to $60,000 first by using this link right here on OKX. And then when you have claimed the bonus, very important to first sign up and get the account. Then after that, you click on this link. It's going to set up the exact same trading strategy for you with just one click. Now, there are big things happening behind the scenes. First, let me talk about this chart for Bitcoin again. A couple of more charts. This is on the weekly, 3-week time frame. And what you have here is the EMA Bollinger Band. This was posted by TechDev originally. And what you can see is that every time we are broken above this point, it has only happened 4 times in history in the past. Well, 3 times in the past. And right now it is happening again. And what you can see is that we broke it right here. First time in Bitcoin's history, we had an insane pump for Bitcoin. Broke it the second time, insane pump for Bitcoin. Third time, insane pump for Bitcoin. And now we're breaking it for the 4th time. And are we going to see history repeat again? Well, let me know down in the comment section. Let us see. But I do think that Bitcoin is going to go up to higher prices. Now, there's a couple of very important things happening in the background here. So the first thing is that Canada has become the first G7 central bank to cut interest rates this cycle. So you're already starting to see the central banks start to cut interest rates. You have the ECB, European Central Bank, is likely to follow along with that on June the 6th, which is actually today. So let's see if that is going to happen. But overall, you do have a lot of data coming out this week, which is also going to affect the prices of Bitcoin and for traditional markets and everything. But the gold price is going up as well. Countries are actually buying a lot of gold right now, and central banks are buying a lot of gold. Why are they doing that? Well, of course, they are buying it because they anticipate rates to be cut, they anticipate more money printing, they expect inflation, and then they want gold to hold up their price. So gold's share of global international reserves jumps to 17, almost 18% in 2023, the most in 27 years. This share has almost doubled since 2016 as central banks have ramped up purchases. Gold is, by the way, also now the 2nd largest asset held in global central banks' reserves, exceeding the euro for the first time ever. The number 1 is still the US dollar, but its 48% world share is down from 60% in 2017. So people are losing, or central governments, central banks are losing faith in the dollar, down to 48 from 60%. Meanwhile, central banks' net gold purchases saw a new record in Q1 of 2024 of 290 tons. World central banks are piling into gold, and now with Bitcoin being more accepted, with Bitcoin being recognized as an actual very important asset. And by the way, guys, flows for Bitcoin yesterday, another massive day, almost $500 million worth of flows into Bitcoin from the ETFs. So now with Bitcoin being recognized, it's only a matter of time until central banks start piling into Bitcoin as well. So everything is still looking very, very good here. And by the way, guys, if you have not yet joined the event Horizon, then make sure to do so. I will post a link at the top of the description, guys. So if you want to know more about Event Horizon, I made a video right here talking about it. So make sure to go back to this video as well. I will have it pop up in the middle of this video as well, so you can watch all about what it is. But yeah, I think that this could be a good opportunity, but make sure to watch my video that I posted a few days ago right here. Okay guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.